age, suitable for any occasion. You can use this, guys. And I will demonstrate you how to do this. And if you want to put a battery, you can have it. You can open this one. And if you don't want to have a battery, you can push this and press this. Enjoying that, guys. Yeah. Beautiful. This is a bestseller in the TikTok, guys. A lot of the kids and adults, they are buying this, guys. They have different style. You can have it. Different colors. They come have it. And this is from this box, guys. This is from this box. And fast push game out animals version. Toys for games stress relief. Toys, they have different styles. And you can bring it anywhere, wherever you go, because this is handy. Okay, guys. What are you waiting for? Check down below the description.